Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog and this is my kitchen where I make restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we have my assistant right here, Kiana, aka Nani.
Or
she don't like that, or Key. And you guys can tune into her videos at where?
Key and M. Me and my best friend Emma make YouTube.
Is that Key and M?
Yeah, so K-I and then like the and sign and then E-M on me and my best friend Emma's channel. We make like little vlog, travel style videos, so.
Okay, cool. That's what's up. Alright, well she gonna be making an Italian dressing today. As you can see, I ran out. So I have some ingredients in the house, and I used to cook for a little restaurant, and I was like their prep guy. So I used to make a whole bunch of different sauces. So she gonna go ahead and do that for you guys today, and I'll see you in a minute. All right.
Okay, so starting off, we're gonna take a cup of water. We're gonna pour that in there, and then a cup of pure canola oil. And then we're going to take half a cup of red wine vinegar. And then a half a cup of distilled white vinegar. Okay, so now we're going to take a teaspoon of honey. And we're going to pour that in there. And then we're going to take a teaspoon of Dijon mustard.
Okay.
Put that in there. And then we're going to take a half of a red bell pepper. So that's that right here, half of a red bell pepper. And then we're going to take a clove of garlic.
All right. Tell the people, how old are you?
20. I turned 20 this year.
Oh, you in college?
Yeah, I'm in college right now. I'm a sophomore in college.
What are you majoring in?
Right now I'm working towards my associate in arts, and I'm going to be an English major.
Okay. All right, what we gonna do next?
So now we're gonna go and start putting the seasonings in the mixture. Okay, so we're gonna take a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of basil, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of granulated onion powder, and also a half a teaspoon of salt.
And then what you gonna do?
And then we're gonna mix it.
All right, well mix on. Okay. Yeah. So when you mix, not trying to get in your business. When you mix, this is always, well, I'm from, I would go like this. Start out first,
Okay.
and then you can go like this. You can tilt your bowl like this. So you're gonna be mixing this for a while. I'm gonna tell you that now.
Okay.
Because you can't shake it up and nothing. So. See, but if you do like this, you see what it's doing? That's why I go like this. Doing a good job, Shawty. Could have made it easy on you, but I tried to do a mixer. Okay, let's give it a taste. I'm gonna wash one of these spoons, y'all. Some of this honey up
Or just get
here. Yeah, you could do that too. Not bad. You might want to use a spoon.
Is it easier to stir with that?
I mean, to each his own, you know. See how that tastes. Oh, you want to taste it? Yeah.
So it tastes a lot like the Italian dressing. I guess the main difference is the consistency is a lot thinner, which isn't bad at all. I mean.
Yeah, we're gonna put some more oil in it, though.
Okay.
So what we had, a whole cup?
Yeah, we had a half a cup actually. Right? Wasn't that?
No,
half?
that was a whole.
Oh, that was a whole.
So we're gonna go with for this recipe, we're gonna go with a cup and a half of oil. I think that'll do the job because it's not as thick as I want it to be, and that's due to the oil. So let's try that. See how they're coming together now. See how it mixes in better now.
Wait, I'm gonna use this.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, because I like this one better.
Yeah, I wanted to actually stick on the food, on the product. So instead of running off. So yeah, this got a nice consistency. Alright, I think you about done. You're going to be mixing all day, messing around. Yeah, that makes it a whole lot better.
Okay.
And that's due to the oil. So you know if it's not sinking like it's supposed to, or just getting mixed up, incorporated better, is need more oil.
Okay.
Ooh, that smells good. Yes. Yes, good. Alright. So that's that. Alright.
So here's the homemade Italian dressing that you saw in part 1 of the tomato and cucumber salad. So we're gonna just put this in a nicer dish and show you how it looks. Right. I'll see you in a minute. All right, so that's it. We're done. This is the homemade Italian dressing that you guys saw in part 1 of the tomato and cucumber salad. This is really, really, really tasty, and it's a lot better to me personally. I like it a whole lot better than the store-bought Italian dressing. I mean,
it's much healthier for you.
Yeah, it's much healthier. I mean, this consistency is a little it's not as thick, but it's still really good, and you know, homemade style is just so much better, especially when you do it yourself. There's something really fulfilling about doing it on your own. Also, when you put this in the refrigerator, it will thicken up over time, so you won't have to really worry about the consistency being too, like, not really watery, but like watery-like as far as, you know, the feel of it. So that's pretty much it. And also, so yeah, this is part 2 of part 1, and if you didn't see part 1, please go watch it. My dad is going to show you how, or in that video he's showing you how to make a cucumber tomato salad. It's really good. So go tune in, and thank you for having me. I'm Key, and please make sure to leave this video a like, share, and comment down below and tell my dad what you think about the dressing if you tried it out, and also the salad too if you tried the salad. And also go over to my channel with me and my best friend Key and M. We make vlog style videos. We do a lot of traveling videos.
They're awesome.
And they're really cool. They're cute or whatever. So yeah, go check us out over there, and yeah, subscribe to Bell Dog's Kitchen too. Please subscribe to his channel and come over to my channel, subscribe. Thank you so much for having me. Bye. Yeah,
I would like to add into it that she the one got me started on YouTube, so That's my baby. So you guys, please go check her out. I encourage you guys to go check it out. They got a lot of stuff. They be traveling, doing all type of cool things. So check them out. All right, in a minute.